Before we proceed with the setup, we need to link our Instagram account. Before moving on to the next tutorial video, we need to ensure that we have completed these steps. First of all, we need to switch or create an Instagram business or professional account. First, we need to create an Instagram personal account. After that, we can convert the personal account to a business account. If you haven't created an Instagram account yet, you can follow the steps to download Instagram from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once you have downloaded it on your phone, you can create an account. This account will be the initial setup. After creating the account, we can go to the settings and switch it to a business account. Assuming this is an Instagram account created for advertising purposes, I can click on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner, click on Settings, click on Account, and then click on Switch to a professional account. If you see Switch to a business account, you can click on that as well. If you need to create a new professional account for your company, you can click on Create a new professional account. If you create a new professional account, you can click Continue and choose the category for your company. Enter your phone number and click Next. After that, you will come to this interface where you can enter the name and password. Click Continue, and then Next. Register your username and choose whether it is for business or creator. In this step, you can click Skip for now. Then, you will be connected to the Facebook fan page. Here, you can follow the steps to complete your account. Now, I have created a new professional account. If I click on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner, then click on Settings, and click on Account, you will see that it shows Switch Account Type, indicating that this account is now a professional account. If your company already has an Instagram account, in the account settings step we just did, you can directly click Switch to a professional account and continue. Similarly, you will come to this interface to choose your business category and click Done. Then choose Business and enter your contact information. Again, you can click Skip for now or complete these steps. Your account will now be converted to a professional account. Now, we have successfully converted or created a business or professional account. Next, we need to enable the Allow Access to Message button. Now, click on Instagram. Go to the top right corner. Click on the 3 horizontal lines. Go to Settings, then click on Privacy, and click on Messages. Scroll down to the bottom, and you will see Allow Access to Messages. If you see this option and it's turned off, you must click to turn it on. Once it's turned on, you're good to go. If you don't see the Allow Access to Messages option on your screen, don't worry, you can proceed to the next step. Now, we need to go to our fan page settings and link it with our Instagram account. Our Instagram professional account can only be linked to one fan page. Open our fan page and select Settings. Choose Instagram here. Click Connect Account to link our Instagram account together. Make sure to enable Allow Access to Instagram Messages and Inbox, and ensure it is not disabled. Now click Continue. Log in to your Instagram account on this screen. Click Login. Once you have successfully logged in, your Instagram account details will appear here. If your homepage is already updated to the latest version, you should select Professional Dashboard on the left side, and then select Link Account on the side. Choose Instagram here and click Connect Account. Again, make sure to enable Allow Access, then click Confirm. Here, you can log in to your Instagram account. If you have already converted your Instagram account to a business or professional account, you should not see the Switch Now button. If you see this button, it means your account has not been converted to a business or professional account. Click Switch Now to convert your personal account to a business or professional account. If you don't see this button, it means you have done it correctly, and you are connected to a business account. Then we can move on to the next step. Next, we need to ensure that we have enabled Instagram direct message functionality in our Facebook inbox. Click on Inbox in our fan page, and then click on Instagram Direct on the left side. If a user sends us an Instagram message, we can also see those messages on this interface. If your interface has already switched to the new version, you can click on the messenger icon in the top right corner to go to our latest inbox interface. Click on Instagram Direct here, and you will come to this interface. If you see a Get Started button in Instagram Direct, you must click that button to activate Instagram Direct Message functionality. Now, we can go to the backend and import our Instagram. For example, in this case, this fan page is the Instagram account I just linked. Although I have already imported my Facebook once before, it appears here, and I have enabled this bot. However, because the Instagram account was newly linked to this fan page, I need to click Login with Facebook again. If it's your first time in the backend, you can directly click Login with Facebook. When we click Login with Facebook again, we must have the same Facebook account open in the same browser. Here, you can click on Additional Settings and check if you have selected your Instagram account. If it's selected, click Next and then click Next again. Check the finishes you want to select, and after choosing, click Next. Finally, click Done. Now, you can see that my previous finish did not have this Instagram account. After I clicked Login with Facebook again, this Instagram account is now linked to this page. Here, you must ensure that you have enabled the bot connection. Once you enable it, 3 circles will appear. This indicates that it is enabled. If it is not enabled, the circle will have a blue plug icon, indicating that the fan page is not enabled with bot connection. If you want to activate auto reply, you must click Enable Bot Connection. When you see it turn into a black icon, it means you have activated it. You can click the Update Account Info button. If it shows success, it means there are no issues with your settings, and you can click OK. After successfully linking Instagram, you can select Instagram in the Bot Manager. Previously, we used Facebook for settings, but now, if we want to switch to an Instagram account, we can click here to switch to Instagram. The Instagram account we just linked will appear here. If we click Create New Flow, we can enter the settings interface to set up our auto reply process. This will be covered in the next video tutorial. If we click Comment Growth Tool and select Instagram, then click Campaign, we can see the recently linked Instagram account on the right side. Here, we can view our Instagram posts. Once we have connected the Instagram account, we can proceed to set up the auto reply in the next video.